In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable two-way Google Calendar sync in WordPress appointments, a process that ensures your schedule stays consistently up to date with ease and precision. If you've ever been frustrated by calendar mishaps or missed appointments because of sync issues, this tutorial will guide you through the seamless process of integration between Google Calendar and your WordPress booking system. Let's begin by navigating to Google Cloud. This is the first step in configuring your project environment for the integration. Once you're there, look for the APIs and Services section on the console homepage. Click on Enable APIs and Services, ensuring you have access to all the necessary functionalities to proceed with enabling Google Calendar syncing. Next, click on Manage in the section that's signified by the blue folder icon. Here you'll find options for organizing and managing your projects for different services, including creating a new project, which is our next step. Click on Create Project and you'll be prompted to enter a project name. Choose something recognizable like WordPress Calendar Sync. Having entered the name, click on Create again. This action will initiate your project setup. After your project is created, select it from the list of available projects. You'll then gain access to its settings. In the project overview, navigate to APIs and Services and click on the Library option within. It's time to link the Google Calendar API with your project. Type Google Calendar API into the search bar and select it from the results. Once it's up, click on Enable to activate it for your project. With the API enabled, navigate to the Credentials section. Here, we'll focus on setting up user authentication for secure project interaction. Begin by selecting user data and proceed by clicking Next. This step leads us to specify application details. Enter your previously named project under Application Details, ensure your contact email is entered accurately, and then click Save and Continue. Repeat clicking Save and Continue when the next option appears until you reach the option to click Done. After this, move to the Audience section and choose to publish app followed by confirming your choice. This action makes your app publicly accessible and ready for use. Now, return to APIs and Services and re-enter the Credentials section. It's here you create new credentials by selecting OAuth Client ID. Choose Web Application as the application type. Follow the prompt to name your project, ensuring it aligns with the project name you've consistently used. Now, head over to your WordPress dashboard. Under the Appointments menu, find and click on Settings. Here, choose Croco Block, under which you'll find a Google Calendar section. You'll need to copy the URL associated with these settings, return to Google Cloud, paste this URL, and click on Create. Successfully creating this configuration means you'll receive a client ID and a client secret. Copy both of these with care. Head back to WordPress once more to paste these two critical pieces of information. With everything set up, click on Connect. You're now able to sync events effortlessly from your Google Calendar thanks to your diligent configuration. By following these steps, you've successfully enabled two-way Google Calendar sync in your WordPress appointments. Enjoy your streamlined scheduling.